To lose it, it's easy. All you have to just pull it from the end, and then voila, it's going to lose. Okay, it's very simple to lose. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to cornrow with your crochet hook. Pay very close attention, okay, so you understand. This video is going to be very self-explanatory. First of all, you are going to part your hair. You are going to part out your hair section according to how big or how small, but I would suggest that you part out a small hair, okay, so that you are not going to be, it's not going to be hard for you. If you are doing it, you understand what I mean. Now, first of all, you have to section a little pieces of hair at the front, because that's what you'll be starting with, okay, just as you see me do. Then you put the little piece of hair at the back of the hook, at the back of the opening of the hook. You can see at the back. I have to zoom so you people understand. Then you put it at the back. Then the next thing you are going to do is to fold it inside the hook, and then you lock it. Bring it out. You can see. Then you put it at the back again, because that's where you are going to be starting from. That's your loop or hook, how would I put it. Now the next thing you are going to be doing once you have made your loop is to start putting your hair. Now for you to crochet your hair, your cornrow, if you want to take your hair, then you have to keep your crochet hook in a vertical form, okay. If you want to bring it out, then your pin has to be in a horizontal, okay. That's the way you can successfully bring out the hair without pulling too much or dragging it. So you get me? Let's try again. Keep your hook, keep it vertical, take your strands of hair, and then you shift your hair to be horizontal. You bring it out successfully. So you keep on doing this. While you keep doing it, your cornrow will be creating, okay. Let me know in the comment section, would you try this pattern of cornrow? Would you try it? Okay, would you try it? It's called the chain stitch method, the chain stitch crochet method, okay. So I'll keep on taking my hair in a vertical form, and then if I want to bring it out, I will turn my crochet hook into horizontal, okay. So I'll just keep on doing it until I get to the tip. When I get to the tip, like where I want my cornrow to end, I'm going to show you how you can lock it. I have to recreate this video because I've already made tutorial on this pattern of cornrow. I have to recreate it because you guys liked the first one, okay. Press the like button of this video, please. It's very important, and drop in a comment section any video request you want me, okay. Let me know where you're watching from in the comment section, and make sure you press the like button. Subscribe if you've not. If you're interested in hairstyles with tutorial, everything about hair tutorial, subscribe, okay. And subscribe to my second channel, The Love Hair, because that's where I'll be posting more of wig tutorials. So back to the video. Like I said, I will slant my head, and when I want to bring out this thing, I'm going to keep my hook in a horizontal form, okay. If I'm pulling too much, I'll just drag the hair a little, the one I've crocheted, so that it's going to be tight. Now at this point, my hair is beginning to get thick. You know, I'm doing this tutorial with baby hair. I'm doing it with a dummy, so my hair is getting thick. I'll have to stop my cornrow and then finish up. So this is just how I'm going to finish it up. Keep watching so you understand. This time around, I'm not adding any hair, okay. I just have to keep on doing the process, the same thing I did, just the difference is that I'm not adding any more hair, okay. I just have to crochet the remaining hair I have in my hand, okay. Put it inside the hook, put it inside, lock your crochet, and then you bring it out. The hair is just chunky, it's chunky. So I'll keep on doing the same thing until I'm done. Now when I'm done, at the beginning of this video I showed you how to lose this cornrow in case you want to use it, okay. So let me know in the comment section, would you try this pattern of cornrow? Would you try it? What do you have to say about this pattern of cornrow? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so we are going to do it one more time. Okay, before I say bye bye to you guys, we are just going to repeat this process one more time. Okay, so keep watching, watch to the end, and if you're still confused, watch again. Okay, see ya.